Hi guys, it's Ayushi here and I'm back again with another pick a card reading on my channel. And as you all know, on this channel I like to bring tarot pick a card readings, oracle messages, weekly updates and some other spiritual stuff. So if that's something that interests you, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you will be notified each time I upload my new videos. And what else, guys, make sure that you do check the description box out, because I will gonna link all my social media links there. Also, I do offer personal reading, so if that's something like, if you want guidance, you can follow me on my Instagram and book a reading with me. Alright, what else? And guys, today's reading is going to be super crazy, because on today's pick a card reading we will gonna see how do they really feel about you. Okay, this is going to be super in-depth reading, and we will, at the end of the reading, we will gonna see what guidance we have for you from the universe based on your connection. Okay, so now before we begin, guys, I would like to tell you that you can watch this video for anyone you are currently thinking about. It can be a friend, family member, and of course your romantic partner. Alright, so as you can see, I have arranged three piles right over here. Pile number one with this yellow sticky stone, I'm sorry guys, yellow sticky note. Pile number 2 with this blue sticky note, and pile number 3 with this pink sticky note. Okay, now before you choose any one of these piles, I would like to take you, just try to calm your thoughts, calm your emotions, think about your person, think about the question, how do they really feel about you. Okay, and then pick a pile you feel most drawn to. And guys, do stay till the end of the reading, because I have guidance for you for your connection. So yeah, now I will gonna jump ahead to my pile number one, that is the yellow sticky notes, and I will gonna see you in your readings. Also guys, timestamps are going to be down below in the description box, so if you feel like skipping the intro, you can always jump on the description box to see your readings. Okay guys, and now I will gonna jump ahead to my pile number one, which is the yellow sticky note. Hi there, pile number one. If you pick yellow sticky note, this is your reading on how your person really feels about you. Okay, so guys, make sure you stay till the end, because we have oracle guidance for you that we will gonna see at the end of the reading. Okay, now coming up to how this person really feels for you. Okay guys, so firstly we have 10 of cups. After that we have 3 of pentacles, 7 of pentacles, and 10 of pentacles. So first thing first. Okay, let me just grab the energies. Then how do they really feel about you? Okay, since we have a lot of pentacles right over here, I feel like your person could be a earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or you. Regardless of signs, let me just jump into the energies of your person. Okay, with this 10 of cups, one thing is very sure to me, that when they are with you, they feel very complete. Like you complete them. Okay, and after that, with this 3 of pentacles, what I feel like is that for some of you, this could be a third party situation that you are stuck in, for some of you. Okay, and for the rest of you, those who are aware of this fact that your partner is stuck in the third party situation, I would like to tell you that they still think about you a lot. Okay, okay, and those of you who are not in a third party situation, what I'm getting is that this person really tries to like they try to invest their time on work so that they can forget you. I feel like you guys are in no contact situation. This person tries to keep themselves busy so that they can forget you, but what's the thing here is that even though they try to keep investing their time in their work, they in the back of their head you are still there and they still care about you. If you were wondering like whether or not this person cares about me, should I stay or what should I do, I would like to tell you that yes, this person still cares about you. This person remembers the moments you have spent together. Okay. We have two tens right over here. So 10 could be very significant. It could be your birth date, or your partner's birth date. Okay, with this Seven of Pentacles coming up as a third card, what I feel like is that this person really admires you. They really do. Even though in Rider-Waite's tarot deck, the Seven of Pentacles is a card of disappointment, but what I'm getting here with this deck over here and this Seven of Pentacles energy is that I feel like you, the one who is watching this video, has given a lot of love to your partner. And with this moon right above this girl, what I'm picking up is that they were scared to open up with you. They were very scared. And then we have again Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Cups and Ten of Pentacles, which is a card of stability in a relationship, right? A card of coming together, having a family. I feel like somewhere, even if you are in no contact, this person will gonna reach out to you very soon. For some of you, what I'm getting here is that this person could reach out within 3 days. Yeah, it's very significant for some of you. Also, with this Ten of Pentacles energy, I feel like right now they are working on their finances and they are building up their coins. Okay, for some of you, I also feel like finance could be the issue in this relationship. Finance could be the issue that this relationship is stuck in this no contact situation. I feel like they want to grow something with you. It is again a very specific message, guys. This is a general reading. Please take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, I am getting a very channeled message for some of you. Okay, it is like your guides are trying to tell you that stay optimistic about your love life. Okay, and what else I'm picking up? I'm getting the image of clouds. What is this, universe? How do the pile one persons really feels for them? I feel like the one who are the viewers watching this video, I feel like somewhere in your head you are very clouded with your own thoughts and you need to release that, because I do feel that this connection will grow in the near future. We have Ten of Pentacles, which is again a card of stability, growth, working together, having that stability in a connection. For some of you, I feel like this person could offer you something regarding to work. I feel like you guys have met in a university or college or maybe through work. That is why there is a lot of a work energy right over here. But yeah, that's what I was picking up from the tarot cards. Now I will gonna see your energy oracle cards to give you guys some guidance on this connection in a minute. Okay, so from energy oracle cards, we have the sun, community, and a man holding a heart. Guys, I told you in the beginning that this person is really holding themselves back, and You know what they do? They try to invest their time in work so that they can forget you, but it's really hard for them to do so. You see, we have community here, which is again three energies, and we have three of pentacles also in the tarot card. So for some of you, this could be a third party situation, and 43 could be very significant for some of you. Okay, for some of you, I'm also feeling that this person could be very old, or they are at least older than you. Okay, with this sun card, guys, stay optimistic. You know what advice I would like to give you is that, like, take a shower. That's what I'm thinking of. I know it might sound a little stupid, but you guys really need to take a shower. I don't know why I picked up that energy with this sun card. Also for you guys, I would like to tell you that start investing your time in your career. Okay, start investing your time in your growth. Yeah, 17 could be very significant for some of you. Okay, if you are a female watching this video, it's very important for you to spend some time with the sun. Okay, but when it comes to this connection, I do see positive changes coming in the near future, because I see this person is holding himself back from expressing how they really feels. For some of you, the third party could be the reason, and for some of you, lack of self esteem could be the reason. Like, this person is, they don't consider themselves good enough. Even though they are very hopeful, they are very optimistic about this connection, but right now they don't feel good enough for you. See, what I'm getting here is that enjoy some time with your friends. Okay, hang out with them, taking proper measure, taking proper, precautions, and things will gonna get better in the near future. That's what I'm picking up for the pile number one. Okay, yeah, because we have two suns right over here. Again, I'm getting the same message that it's very important for our viewers to spend some time in the energy of sun. It will gonna, it will gonna provide you a lot of benefit. Even if you don't see that, it will gonna happen. Yeah, that's what I had for my pile number one. If you enjoyed, make sure that you do like this video. Also, let me know in the comments which part resonated with you and which didn't. And make sure to do subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next readings. Bye bye, pile one. Hi there. If you pick pile two, this is your reading. How do they really feel about you? Okay, so firstly, before we jump into your partner's energy or your person's energy, I would like to give you a channeled message that I picked up, before shuffling the cards, which was that I feel like some of you are in a twin flame journey, okay, and you are doing a lot of inner work, and what your guides are telling you is that continue doing that inner work. Okay, just continue doing that inner work. It will be very helpful. Okay, and now coming up to the how your person really feels. Okay, we have two of pentacles, nine of cups, princess of cups, and the sun. Okay, we have one major arcana. Guys, there is a lot of emotions in this pile. Yeah, there is a lot of emotion. Somewhere I feel like this person's keep coming and keep going from your life, in and out kind of situation. Sometimes they feel very nostalgic about you, sometimes they miss you a lot, and then they find themselves then they confuse themselves. which is again a very specific message. Guys, this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Don't try to fit in a reading that is not resonating with you. With this sun card, somewhere I feel like you balance this person emotions. Like when they talk to you, they feel very balanced, secure, and calm. Also, with this Nine of Cups, that heart keeps on clicking me. Somewhere I feel like their heart belongs to you. Again, a very specific message, but their mind is somewhere else. With this Two of Pentacles, their mind keep on taunting them like, no, this is not the right thing to do, and this should not be done. Um, Also with this Princess of Cups, I feel like they want to gift you something, but they are holding themselves back, which is again kind of similar energy to pile one, but not exactly the same. With this moon covering up this Princess of Cups as at the top of the card, what I'm getting here is that this person really needs to work on their intuition, and I feel like for some of you, they are trying to listen to their intuition. If you see, I don't know if you can see that, here is the moon, okay, and then here is this ball right over her head. Something stops them, something really stops them. Maybe they had a failure in their past relationships, which is stopping them to take this connection to the next level. For some of you, I feel like you are still friends with this person and they have not yet expressed their feelings towards you. But what my guides are trying to tell you is that with this Nine of Cups, their heart belongs to you. You have stolen their heart. This is a very this is very fantasy type of feeling I'm getting from this person. Okay, now I will gonna jump ahead to your oracle messages and see what guidance I have for you in terms of this connection in a minute. Okay, so from energy oracle cards we have rest and rejuvenate, and a woman holding a coin. Okay, guys, one thing I would like to tell you is that you need to be very clever. Okay, you need to be very aware of your surroundings, like what type of energies you are hanging around with, because somewhere I feel like there is a outer influence in this connection which is creating a blockage. Okay, for some of you, okay, this is for majority of you, meditation is the key. Yeah, I feel like you guys feel unworthy of getting your person's love, which is not the case. Your guides are telling you that you are deserving of love, you are deserving of care. There is something about your what that yellow chakra, sacred chakra, if I'm not wrong. You need to work on that. You guys really need to work on that. The one who are watching this video, not your person, you guys need to work on that, because I feel like you guys have a lack of self esteem and you really need to work on that. Because with this woman holding a coin, what I feel like is that it's very hard for you guys, the one who are watching this video, to express their true feelings, because sometimes you get scared and you pretend to be very cold from outside, but deep down you are a very emotional person. Again, this is a very specific message, guys. Try to do seven chakra meditation. Yesterday also in a reading I suggested someone that it could benefit you a lot in terms of this connection. Okay guys, make sure you work on your self-esteem also. So that's what I had for my pile number 2. Let me know in the comments which part resonated with you and which didn't. Make sure that you like this video, come subscribe to my channel, and also press that bell icon so that you will be notified each time I upload my new video. Now I will gonna jump ahead to my pile number 3. Bye bye pile number 2. Hi there, if you picked pile number 3, this is your reading. And from tarot cards, we have Two of Swords, Two of Wands, Knight of Swords, and Knight of Wands. So, how do they really feel about you? Okay, first thing first, there is a lot of passion in this connection, a lot of passion. That's the first message that I'm picking up. Your partner could be a air sign, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, or you could be um, somewhere. I feel communication is the barrier here. They don't your person don't communicate very clearly. Also, I feel if you see this Two of Wands, you guys on the different level. One person could be focused on their career and the other person is focused on their family matters. um, the one who is watching this video, okay, that is my viewers who are watching this video. I feel in the present time you are clearing your family karmas, okay, and your partner is clearing their karmas, and once it's done, if you see this image, once it's done you will gonna meet again with your partner. I feel like for most of you it is a long distance relationship. Also, there is something about communication, guys. Very strongly, there is something about communication. Also, for some of you, what I'm picking up here with this Two of Swords energy is that you you might have caught some sort of truth which this person was not telling you, and now you are in this Two of Swords energy. There is a decision that you need to make, and you are you are very confused right now, like what should I do now. There was something that this person did that you didn't expect it from them. For some of you, again, I'm feeling that they could cheated you over somebody else. If that's the case, also I'm getting the image of people sitting and gossiping. That Five of Wands energy, even though that card is not present here, but people could have tried to come in between you both and created a lot of misunderstanding. Okay, so for my viewers, what I'm picking up is that, guys, just listen to your heart. In if that's the case, that other people are trying to tell you about your person, that your person is this, your person does that, your person is hanging around with other girls, it might not be the case, guys. Try to listen to your own heart, because I do feel that your person is kind of immature when it comes to love and emotions. They don't know how to communicate, because we have knight and then we have knight of swords and knight of wands. They do feel very passionate about you, They want to have something with you, but they don't know how to express it. Okay, guys, so what I'm picking up for pile number three is that don't listen to what other people are trying to tell you. Listen to your own heart and your own intuition. Alright, when it comes to this connection, because I do see that high school drama kind of thing happening on here. It could be very significant, like for some of you only. Okay, now I will gonna jump ahead to your oracle messages and we will see what guidance I have for you in terms of this connection in a minute. So from the energy oracle I have card, I have storm warming and door to spirit. Again, guys, I told you something happened. You find out the truth which broke your heart. If you see storms is there and things are falling apart, this person did something to you which was not expected. But what happened is that because we have door to spirit, your spiritual journey has started after this storm happened. You started doing meditation, you started connecting with your spirit. Like, you may be seeing a lot of feathers these days. Your guides are telling you that we are guiding you, okay, we are supporting you. Don't worry about this connection and just keep doing what you are doing. Love yourself. Also, I got this message while I was shuffling your cards. Like, keep loving yourself. Don't wait for this person. And if it's meant to be, it will come to you. Birds could be very significant for some of you. Like, you could be seeing a lot of birds lately. Your spirits are reminding you that, you know, they are there. Some of you could see that jugglus also because there is a light. Okay, again, I got a very specific message for some of you. Okay, which is that your guides are telling you, the one who is watching this video, there is a light after dark. Okay, there is a light after the tunnel. This is the message I'm picking up because the cards are also like similar. There is a storm and then there is a light. So whatever happened has happened for a reason, and whatever happened for your own growth. So don't worry. And if this person, if this person hurts you, let them hurt you, and just try to cut cords for a while. Yeah, because it's important for your spiritual growth right now. Alright, pile 3, that's what I had for you. It's a very fantastic reading, and let me know in the comment section below which part resonated and which didn't. Make sure to like this video, follow me on my Instagram, links are down below in the description box, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell notification and let me know in the comments which reading you wanna see next. And yeah, that's all I had for my pile number 3. Bye bye, pile number 3.